Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ban error 1 and 2. So this is a connection error, and here are a few steps you can try to fix the issue permanently. So the first one being, you simply just restart PC after you get an error, and then check if that helps fix the error. You simply restart the Valorant then, and then check if it works. Now, if that doesn't help, like it usually doesn't, you go to search, go to add or remove programs. And once you're in here, type in Riot Vanguard till you find it. And once you find it, click on install. And once you deleted Riot Vanguard, you type in Valorant and simply uninstall Valorant. Also, once you've done both of those, you simply restart your Riot client. Once you open the client, you go to Valorant and then download the game again. And once the game is done downloading, it will re-download the Vanguard again. And once that is done, you simply restart your PC again after it's done installing everything, and then check if your game is working properly. Now, if that doesn't help, you can go to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall, and once you're in here, click and allow an app or a feature through Firewall. Click here, change settings, and then click allow another app. Click browse, go to local disk C, find program files. Once you're in here, scroll down till you find Riot Vanguard. Once you're in here, find VGC. It will say here Vanguard user mode service, and then click add. I already did it. As you'll see it here, you see Vanguard user mode service, and then make sure it's ticked for both public and private. And you want to do the same for Valorant and Riot client. So you go to local disk C this time. Now you go to Riot Games, Riot client, and then Riot client services. Add it. I already did it. And then you go to, for the last time, you do it for the Valorant. You go to local disk C, Riot Games, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and then Valorant, Windows 64 shipping. Click open, click add. And once you add it, take for both private and public, and simply close this. Now, before you restart your PC the last time, here is the last final tip. Hopefully this is like a holy grail and it will fix your issue permanently. So what you want to do is go to search, type in run. Once in run, you type this, services.msc, click OK. And once it opens this window, you click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you find it, the startup type, put it to automatic. It will be on a manual or disabled. Just put it on automatic, not delayed start, just automatic. Click apply. Okay, and once you've done that, you simply restart your PC one more time, and I promise it should work. Now, even if that doesn't work somehow, some way, the last thing you can do is send a ticket to Riot Support, and they should hopefully be able to help you resolve your issue, but the VGC should be able to help you before that. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix a ban error 102. Hopefully this video helped you guys. See you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye bye.